Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Smart fortwo Passion. This two-door hatchback has a 3-cylinder, 0.9-liter i3 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Smart is a great value with less than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 32 miles per gallon in the city and 39 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include lighting package, auxiliary audio input, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.